Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. Presented to back claims that Bill Hinman's 2018 speech should be covered by DPP. In their response, Ripple maintained that the SEC was only seeking a do-over to turn around the court's previous decision. The SEC's motion is an inappropriate attempt at a do-over, simply because it is unhappy with the court's order on its prior briefing, the filing read in part. It added that the SEC wanted a course reversal even after it had sworn that Hinman's speech was his personal opinion. Ripple pointed out that the SEC seems to argue the speech should fall within an administrative twilight zone somewhere between a personal view and agency policy. XRP proponents have hailed such articulate responses from Ripple's legal team. The XRP community has also continued to point out possible compromises in the SEC's handling of XRP and Ethereum. They argue the SEC has reached the end of the line, as all evidence suggests that the Commission will be unable to prove wrongdoing on the part of Ripple's executives. There's no way the SEC can meet its burden. The SEC must prove the two executives had actual knowledge XRP was a security or was reckless in not knowing, popular XRP supporter, attorney John Deaton recently said. Deaton has also chronicled some incriminating evidence against the SEC. Deaton argues that former SEC chair, Jay Clayton, as well as Bill Hinman, had very obvious ties with key players connected to the Ethereum blockchain. These connections had a role in engineering the SEC's move to call XRP a security and filing a lawsuit against Ripple. Backing this, he presents several instances that show that prior to 2020, the SEC had no clarity on if XRP was a security or not. Ripple's recent victories in court, the latest rulings in court, have been leaning in favor of Ripple. Last week, Judge Annalisa Torres struck down an SEC motion to file a reply in support of a motion to strike out Ripple's fair notice defense. Before that, the XRP community also welcomed the unsealing of 2 Ripple memos. These memos clearly showed that XRP was not a security, as Ripple's general counsel, Stu Alderodi, stated in the aftermath of their unsealing. To cross the equilibrium, a sustained close above this level is needed to confirm the resurgence of bulls. Also, the MACD lines seem to be on the verge of a bullish crossover. The traders must watch out for the first green signal on the histogram for a potential entry trigger. Conclusion: considering XRP's proximity to its near-term EMAs, the chance of a volatile move in the days to come is high. Any close above the current down channel, yellow, could lead to a POC retest, followed by the 200 EMA in the long term. Should the bulls dwindle, XRP could enter into a tight phase near its supply zone. Moreover, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement and the broader sentiment would be important to complement the aforementioned analysis. The next news: Cardano flips Ether, XRP in transaction volume as on-chain activity surges where ADA price is headed. The Cardano network is busier than ever. A flurry of activity on Cardano has helped to push its transaction volume in the last 24 hours above that of Ethereum and XRP. Cardano surpasses Ethereum and XRP in usability, while the Cardano blockchain processed a record $17.04 billion last week. Ethereum registered a total transaction volume of $5.25 billion and XRP sat at $700 million, according to data provided by Messari. Cardano is still ahead of Ethereum and XRP in terms of the 24-hour adjusted transaction volume, hitting $12.75 billion on the day, while XRP and Ethereum register $613 million. The pair could then again drop to the support line of the channel. At the SDT Ether, turned down from the 50-day SMA, $2,865, and dropped to the support line of the triangle, indicating that higher levels continue to attract selling by the bears. The price has rebounded off the support line of the triangle, but the bulls will have to push and sustain the SDT pair above the 50-day SMA to signal a possible change in the short-term trend. If that happens, the pair could rally to the resistance line of the triangle. Conversely, if the price turns down from the moving averages, it will suggest that the bears continue to sell at higher levels. That will increase the possibility of a break below the triangle. The close below the triangle could open the doors for a possible retest at $2,300. BNB/STT/BNB turned down from the 20-day EMA, $385 on February 26, but the price has rebounded sharply off the strong support at $350 on February 28. This indicates that the price is stuck between these two levels. Both moving averages are sloping down, and the RSI is just below the midpoint, indicating that bears have a slight edge. If the price turns down from the 20-day EMA, the possibility of a break below $350 increases. If that happens, the BNB Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, CryptoGround, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, CryptoGround analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2023, the price will reach $2.8. The XRP